Welcome Priya. I upload videos twice a week, usually on Tuesdays and Saturdays, on fashion, styling, DIYs, hacks, stitching, and tailoring. If you're watching me for the first time, please do check out my previous videos. The link will be mentioned in the description box. Today's video is a reuse idea of old nightie or maxi which is worn at home. This is a continued part as the part 1 I have shared it earlier with the two easy bags. This is part 2 of this nightie. I hope you all watch me till the end and enjoy it. Did like it? Please do comment below. As you can see, the sides of the nightie is in a contrasting shade, so I've just cut up. Also, the nightie was torn at most of the places, so I'm cutting that portion too, as you can see in the video. Now next, I'll be taking a double cloth for the front and the back, as I won't be attaching any buckram or non-vem. Also, I won't be stitching any zip for this bag or purse, but if you wish to, you can attach it in the middle and in the front. That I'll mention in the video. As I'm using brown color cloth for front and back, for the base, I'll be using the light yellowish shade contrast cloth from the nightie itself for the sides. For sides, I'm using again a double cloth. As you can see in the video, I'll be cutting two for two sides, and then for the bottom, it will be a bigger size. I'll be measuring and cutting it again in a double. The measure of the base is approximately 6 cm. I'm stitching this from an old nightie. You can also use a new cloth or reuse it from an old kurti. Next, for attaching a pocket for inside, you can see I'm using a single cloth. I'm folding and showing, and the portions where I'm showing finger indication, there I'll be stitching it. Next, for front pocket, again I have taken a double cloth. The dirty or the spoiled cloth I have added inside, and the front portion I have kept it better. Actually wanted a bigger cloth, but it was not available, so I am taking only this much. If you have a more bigger size cloth, you can keep it completely full sized pocket, just leaving a 2 to 3 cm on the top, or up to 10 cm to attach the belt, or else you can do it in the bottom also, the way I am showing. I'll be cutting the upper covering of the front pocket in a rounded portion. If you wish to, you can just keep it square. Here, while stitching this pocket, you can attach a zip and then stitch it. Now for the covering of the front pocket, for show, I'll be attaching a 3 cm contrast cloth to it and then stitching it first for the front, and I'm showing the process how I'm stitching, and then turning it back, double folding it and stitching it. As I didn't get a single cloth and fell in short of cloth, I'm joining two pieces of the cloth together and stitching it. If you are giving a rounded shape on the ends of the pocket covering in the front, make sure that you give a smaller cut till the stitches so that the shape comes perfect. Now I'm attaching it to the purse or the bag. For this, I stitched the belt just as I stitched the raw string or the raw nada like for the previous two bags. Similarly, in this same manner, only difference I made, there I took 3 to 4 cm. Here I took 6 to 7 cm, a big broader belt. Also, I added another extra cloth inside, just from the same nightie which was slightly torn or soiled or had stains on it, and then stitched it in the similar manner. Now as you can see, I'll be attaching it from the side along with the belt, then stitching the belts on the 3 sides as you can see in the video. Now once the covering of the pocket or front opening is finished, there you can attach a press buttons or velcro or zip. The choice remains to be yours. I'll be attaching the existing buttons of the nightie as I don't want to spend much on this. Now as we did piping or decoration like for the front opening of the front pocket, similarly we will be doing on the sides where we attach the bases. So, I attach these bases after stitching both the pockets, front and the back inside pocket, and then attach the base. For base, it was already double folded, so I didn't stitch much. I had to just join the 3 pieces and then attach the sides of it. Once this piping is done, here we come to the end of the stitching of this purse, a beautiful bag which is quite good, sturdy, will hold weight. To share it with your family and friends. Comment below to support me. As subscribing is free, please do subscribe to get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, check my previous videos. I'll be coming up soon with a new content. Till then, get subscribed. Keep watching. Bye.